here with our MVPs of the match, Rhea Di Macolangan and Aiza Maiso Pontillas. Rhea with 26 excellent sets, Aiza Maiso Pontillas with 13 attacks and 4 blocks. So tatanungin ko, laban ng laban yung Generica Ayala ngayon. Ano ba yung mga adjustments na ginawa ninyo for you guys to get this win?
Nung time na parang puro kami errors, parang sabi sa amin ni Coach, masyado daw kami nagre-relax. Kailangan matutunan kami na ma-stop namin yung ganon and yung communication namin sa loob ng court, kailangan mas ma-improve pa namin.
I'm sure that dito sa round number 2, gusto niyo na iwasan yung angat kayo tapos makakahabol pa yung kalaban ninyo. Ano ba yung kailangan yung gawin para ma-maintain yung consistency na yun?
Siguro yung tiwala namin sa sarili namin, tsaka sa teammates namin. Kasi usually pag nag-error parang nagkakanya-kanya kami. Kaya siguro yun yung dapat namin pang i-improve tayo.
Nang kausap ko si Coach siya kanina, sabi niya na challenge ka daw niya to be more vocal on the court kasi nagli-lead ka by example when he wants you to talk more. Feeling mo ba na-deliver mo yun ngayon?
Siguro naman, nagawa ko and sobrang tahimik na tao talaga ako. Pero nagiging vocal naman ako sa team.
And coming into the next games, what do you feel like you still have to improve on?
Yung service receive namin, yun yung nawawala sa amin and communication sa loob.
Rhea Di Macolangan, talagang inikot niya yung bola. Kaya may kita mo, yung sa attacks, 51 as opposed to 37 because the first balls were there. They were able to adjust after that 26-24 second set. Tapos yung blocks nila, they really look at the difference. 12-5. Tsaka yung service, well, service aces no, na naig doon ang Generica Ayala. And the errors, mas marami sa Petron. Pero binawi nila yun eh. Nagising sila, they had good first balls and then they had great plays, well distributed by Di Macolangan. A lot of great finishes by Pontillas.